So in the series we're going to be showing you how to make a mash, which is how to put on the ingredients in your barrel that'll sit for about a week and go from 0% alcohol, and it's called wines, and it'll go up to about 12-14%, and then that's processed through the still, which is going to turn it into 85%, mainly because of the kind of still I run, which is a reflux still. And the ingredients you're going to need, we'll go through all the different parts, is pretty simple. We've got $6 worth of sugar, tomato paste, vitamin B, big magnesium and yeast. So you're probably looking at $12 to make about 5 litres of 40%. So it's all pretty simple. So if you want to follow this segment, follow, subscribe, whatever. We'll also be going through debunking a fair few of the myths that you hear around brewing. A lot of it's just so you don't do it. It's to scare you off. But I can tell you, if you do this right, it's safer and a lot healthier for you than any store-bought junk. You do what I show you, you got the most pure crap you can get. No one could offer you anything better than you could do yourself. So that's the first bit, draining in. This is called the 4 shots. It's actually poisonous, containing methanol and other horrible crap. So you'll learn all this. So the main thing is you do not drink the first little bit that comes out.